What's up, fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. And a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. And sorry about the mic quality, as I forgot my mic and I'm not at home today and recording the video from somewhere else. So starting with natural gas, and what do we have right here? And right here, nice one. As price pushed up after a pullback with a bullish engulfer, one of the valid pullback entry I teach you guys here and to my students in MMTA full course. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. All ready? And just a heads up, it is not something I'm looking for reversal. This push down can be till 20 EMA or till 50 EMA. So that can be a good pullback, nice one. But again, I'm expecting a continuation out of natural gas. So after this push down, it was me. I would exit and look for my next entry condition. Let's say we have a push down, price forms a bullish engulfer. I'm going to go long and then we can exit here, look for a bearish condition. If we have a bearish condition, we're going to go for double top, stop loss above, take profit, and then again look for next conditions. That is what I'm expecting from price action at this point. Nice one. So as you can see, perfect entry condition we got right here, which is a bullish engulfing pattern. And as you can see, the price pushed up nicely from here and hitting 1 ATR targets easily. As you can see, the price pushed up more than 1 ATR and still pushing up. Now, first, let's go on NEMEX because there are a few conditions here, and then we're going to talk about aggressive entries and less aggressive entries as well. So for now, here on NEMEX, just mark your double top zones something like this. Make it more visible, which is something like this. Now, at this point, what to expect? After this good pullback, I'm still expecting a price to push up from here and hit this rejection box, something like this. Now, I've covered the body till the wick. And if the price break and close above this wick, in that case, we'll have a continuation towards the upside. If the price hit this rejection box and forms a bearish candle, something like this, or inverted hammer, something like this, a 382 candle, if we have that within this box, in that case, we will have a valid double top and a sell signal. In that case, I'll keep my stop loss above, take profit 1-to-1, and then you can manage it accordingly. Again, that will be just a pullback, and that can be big pullback to this trend continuation zone before the price will likely push up. So these pullbacks are just a pullback in an uptrend, and we need to grab profits out of these pullbacks and then ride along with the trend with next condition. Like we had condition right here, we had a good pullback, like I mentioned that I'm just expecting a pullback. And if you have a bullish condition here, we're going to take long. So we had a bullish condition right here and price is now pushing up. So look for double tops if we have that, or if you're managing a buy trade. Otherwise, for my next buy trade, if we have, let's say, a fall to 50 EMA or to this zone with a bullish engulfing candle, I'm going to go long again. So buy trades will be again once we have a fall to 50 EMA or to this green zone that has been recently broken, which is right here, the number you can see in blue. Buy trades will be above 50 EMA, but that must be after the fall above 50 EMA, or that must be at this green area. So I'm still looking at this green zone for my possible buy trades or for my possible pullback entries above 50 EMA. Otherwise, I'm looking at this double top pattern for my next sell trade. Now here on capital.com, exactly the same. We are not looking at double tops, but we're just looking at the zone above, which is a minor level of resistance right up there, which is 2.940 that goes to 3.130. Once the price push up to this zone, forms a bearish engulfer or a double top, in that case, I'm going to go short, just a scalp, and then we're going to look for another buy trade above 50 EMA, exactly something like this after this fall. If you have a condition above 50 EMA, which is my bullish engulfing pattern, I'm going to go long again. Otherwise, I'm still looking at this zone right here. As you can see, 2.498, that goes to 2.595, a zone from where if we get a nice and deep pullback, in that case, I'm going to go long again with an entry condition, which I've just mentioned. So keep an eye on these other conditions now I'll be looking at for my possible trades. Here on Ovanda, price pushing up, hitting 180 target easily. And here on Ovanda, I'm just looking at major zones. Now, on the other two platforms, let's say if the price hit a minor zone, in that case, that can be just a pullback. Here in Ovanda, in a continuation, then price will likely push up. So on this platform, I'm just looking at this level just to keep my charts clean. If you want to mark, it is a minor zone here on Ovanda, which is right at 2.768, that goes to 2.859. I'm not really paying attention to this zone, but just if you want to plot these zones as well on your chart. Otherwise, Fibonacci entry has been triggered as well here with a 50% retracement. If you are in the trade already, and 1.618 retracement can be your targets. And here on the other platform, if you are an aggressive trader, Fibonacci entry, I'm going to adjust my Fibonacci tool, something like this. It barely hit 50% retracement, but if you are still looking at that, then 50% can be your aggressive entry. Take profit again, 1.618 retracement on NEMEX. If you look here, price hit Fibonacci retracement 50%, which is right here, and now pushing up. Again, if you want to manage this trade, it's totally up to you. If you want to manage that, stop loss can be below. Take profit again, 1.618 retracement if you are looking at the long-term perspective. Otherwise, pull back here, and I'm expecting a price to push higher from here till the minor levels from where we can expect pullbacks, and then we can look for another buy trades above these zones or above 50 EMA. Next up, we have silver. Silver is still ranging sideways, and we have no confirmation here on silver, but we do have a bullish engulfer. Again, I'm still expecting a price to push up. Aggressive entry has been triggered at this 50% retracement. Silver is running slower than gold, but we are still bullish here on silver. So we can still get a pullback to 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. In that case, I'm going to go long again if we have a bullish engulfer again above 50 EMA. Otherwise, my next pullback entry either above 50 EMA or above this high, and I'm going to keep on taking longs until we are in the zone above in red, which is right here. The number you can see here in blue. So I have these zones ready on the charts. I'll be only selling once the price hit my red zone with the bearish engulfer, a double top, or if the price break below 50 EMA dramatically. In that case, I'll start to look for my sell condition. Otherwise, we are still looking for buy trades and bullish for silver. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing lower, and we are heading towards an anchor level, which is something like this. So the next anchor level is right here, but we need to see if the candle completely closed below 50 EMA. That could be a fake out as well, if the candle can sometimes pushes back up and turns towards the upside. So that's what we need to look at. If we are broken below 50 EMA with two red candles in a momentum, only then I start to look for my bearish continuation trade. And also, it would be better if the price completely broke below this zone, which is our anchor level, for a complete bearish reversal. So wait and see how it goes. Price might form head and shoulder pattern as well, and this is what I'm looking at. No condition, but if we have two red candles below 50 EMA, in that case I'll start to look for bearish trades. Let's see how this candle closes. If gone back up, in that case we will turn bullish again. So wait and see and look for the next condition which I've just mentioned. Lastly, we have crude oil still ranging sideways, and we have this rejection box right here. We might get a triple top pattern as well. Price might hit this zone again and then shoots up, but if the candle closed below this rejection box with a body, in that case we are looking at the downside and a bearish continuation. So very important to see a condition like bullish engulfer or a pin bar here for next buy trades. Otherwise, if there is no condition, we are just waiting to see if the price completely broken above this green zone. Once we are completely broken above this green zone, only then I start to look for my bullish continuation trades. Or if we have a strong condition like bullish engulfer here within this rejection box, in that case we'll still have a buy signal without a candle to close below these lows. So wait and see how it goes. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trade. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.